We're here in Sydney for the Australian premiere of Puss in Boots: The Last Wish.
A very special welcome, especially to all the good kids. Oh, I am so excited to be here in this beautiful State Theatre to see Puss in Boots: The Last Wish. We are so lucky. We are the first place in Australia to see the screening of this wonderful film. It's sort of like Puss in Boots' early Christmas present to us, isn't it? Has anyone seen my good friend Puss in Boots? He's about this high, and he's got fabulous boots just like me. So, he's behind me. No, he's not. He's behind me. bet you're excited to show the movie to all of these good kids. Oh, it's wonderful to be here at the State Theatre, isn't it? Just before we go, we've got a special message that's going to come from the star of the show, the star of Puss In Boots, and that's Antonio Banderas. Oh, some of the mums and grown-ups know that name.
Welcome to this very special preview screening of my new film Puss In Boots. I'm sorry I couldn't be there in person to celebrate with you, but I hope you enjoy all of the festivities today at Sydney's beautiful State Theatre. Puss In Boots holds a very special place in my heart, so I'm delighted that you are the very first lucky people in Australia to see it. So please enjoy the film, and I wish you and your families a very happy Christmas.
The Last Wish. This is a holiday movie must see. What did you think, girls?
It was amazing.
So much fun. Go see it.